In this tutorial, I'm going to explain the various types of arcs. The first type is a 3-point arc. Select 3 points and your arc is generated. And the next type is the center point arc. Select the center point here and my first point and my second point. And the next type is the tangent arc. I want my tangent arc to be tangent to these two arcs which I have created before. Select these 2 points here and my tangent arc is created tangent to the previous 2 arcs which I have used. And the next command is the polygon command. Select the polygon and you have the 2 options called the inscribed circle and the circumscribed circle. If I select the inscribed circle option and draw a polygon, select the point and another point. Now you see that in an inscribed circle, I have the circle inside my polygonal object. If I draw the circumscribed circle, my circle will be at the outside of the polygonal object. If I enter a value of 3, and my polygon will be created as a triangle. And you can also rotate it by providing some angle here. And you can change the diameter of the circle by providing some value here. Let me provide a value of 80. Now you see that my polygon has increased its shape. And this is the distance coordinates from the origin. We can either increase or decrease the value of it. And you can also make this as a construction polygon.